Hello, we're back to unbox the Luigi SH Figuarts. I remember I checked this out online like 2 years ago and it was like $200 because it hadn't been in manufacturing for like a decade or like 5 years. But it's finally back as of June 2026 and I'm pretty excited. So this is what we get. This is the front of the box, top of the box, right side of the box, the back of the box, and the left side of the box. Fun fact, I also have Mario, which I got some 3, 4, 7, maybe like 7 or 8 years ago. I really love this figurine, but let's just hop into Luigi. So I just cut the side here. We're gonna open this up and just slide this out. Ooh la la. There's nothing else in the box. And we're left with this beautiful, beautiful Luigi, which I can't see because I'm facing away from the camera. But yeah, he looks good. He's got hands. He's got this little bar here to hold him up, it looks like. And you get a red Koopa Troopa shell with a brick, this little standing thing. And I can't tell what this is, but actually I think it's the Yoshi mount. I think this allows him to ride Yoshi, which I also have. Unfortunately not on me in this moment, but the Yoshi one is really cool. Mario could ride him too. So let's take off the front here. Let's see. Ooh, easy as pie. Check this out. We're about to make first contact with the Luigi. Okay, we have touched Luigi, his hat, and his nose. Oh, and it looks like he's ready to come out. Let's see. Beautiful, beautiful. This is retailing for around 900 new Taiwanese dollars, which I'm sure that means nothing to you. So that's about 25 USD. And it seems like a pretty good price. And he looks so high quality. Wow, I just looked him in the eyes. That's where the soul to the portal to the soul is, and he looks very good. So this is him. What do you think?
Oh yeah, Luigi time.
Pretty good stuff. That felt pretty natural. Oh wow, look how shiny his shoes are. I don't know if you could tell, but this is probably the shiniest shoes in the world right here. Camera, focus on those shoes. Look at that. They are sleek as ever, definitely sleeker than Mario shoes. But this feels really nice so far. You see he's got lots of points of articulation. He can do just about anything. He can even move his big, weirdly shaped, like Phineas head a little bit. And he looks nice. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, can he stand? Stand test. Is that a thing in unboxings? I don't know. But yes, he can stand. A little 1 foot forward action. Let's check out the brick here. Oh, this is okay. It's just printed on a 3D cube. There's not really like there's not any, is it sad I can only refer to this as a normal map? Like it's not elevated in the brick parts, but it is just 3D printed, or not 3D printed, sorry, just printed onto a 3D block. And it looks good. Let's get a size comparison here. Yep, that looks about right. Boom, boom, boom. I never understood how Luigi and Mario hit the brick with their hand and not their head, because their heads are so big. And like if you hold this figure, his hand literally cannot reach past his head. But I like the brick. These two little things fell out. Let's see if we can get those back in. We can, but perhaps they're a little too easy to fall out. So that could be a problem. Now we're gonna look at this little thing, which I think is for Yoshi. I think it's like some kind of mounting thing, but where does this go in? I don't know. You see there's like a divot. You know, we're gonna leave that. Better leave it and have it be unknown than really mess it up. All right, red Koopa Troopa shell. Let's check it out. My headphone fell out, but that's of no concern. Don't worry. And let's see. Oh, Butterfingers. Yes, this looks like a nice shell. Mario has the mushroom, the golden coin, and the mystery block. So I think this is a nice addition to that collection. Let's see what it looks like when he's holding it. Oh, Luigi, you look nice. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I like the shell. You can see the inside of the shell. You could like kind of see the white goes in, but I think it's pretty good quality. It's actually like a nice bumpy texture here. Like each, what is this, a hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each hexagon of the shell has its own little bumpy texture. They have like black paint on it. Looks pretty nice. I'm not regretting this purchase so far, but let's go ahead and get this Luigi stand out in the back so he has something to stand on. All right, we finally got out this Luigi plate, and let's open it up. There's a lot of tape on here. I feel like it's kind of inelegantly done. Inelegantly, unelegantly, comment below. Let's see. Come on, get out of here. Ooh, this is a Luigi plate. There's a big L on it, so you know it's for Luigi. Let's see if we could do something with here. So yeah, this is like a opposing stick. I don't know if that's the right way to say it, but let's look for a hexagon. Can I just go in there? No? Is that not supposed to work? It looks like that could fit in there. Yeah, okay, that snaps in, perfect, and it could rotate. But, oh, that works pretty well. Okay, let's try it with Luigi now. So, let's try, I'm so confused as to where this goes. I actually don't know. This could go there. Oh, wait, the block can go in here. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, maybe not. Wow, this is kind of hard to figure out. I don't know if I'm a little slow or something, but there's lots of elements going on here. Oh, wait, there's a little tool. There's a little guide in here, actually. Let's see. They highlight what each is. These are both shell joints, it says. Oh, these hands that are like more open here, they have a hole in them where you could put the stick to connect the shell. Interesting. How does this go? But let's take out this hand. So now we've got two hands. Can we just pull these off? The test, and they just came right off. Perfect. Okay. This is his right hand. Nice. That's on. And then his left hand. That's on. There's not really a satisfying snapping sound. It's more of just like a plasticky stretching sound, which doesn't feel great. Oh, I just took his arm off. Wow, at least it's not broken. Let's get that back on there. Come on, Luigi, stay with me. Okay, that looks good. And now we have these, this shell joint, one end in here. Oh my God. All right, snapped into place. And now we're gonna snap this into place. Let's see, push that in there. Hope the hand doesn't pop out. And that looks good. Now let's get this shell here and insert it into the holes, I guess. Oh, you can go either. It's weird. Okay. Is that how it's supposed to go? This whole thing kind of just weirds me out. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong. Okay, the shell. Oh, you can hold it long side or short side. I don't really get the point of this, but I guess it's so the shell is secure in Luigi's hands. I don't know. It seems like it's doing a little too much to me, at least. Oh my God, his arm fell off. Is that not right? I'm doing something wrong? This is kind of a disaster. As long as it doesn't break, I guess that's fine. Okay. Now we got to get this hand in there. Yeah, it's like almost invisible, if you can see, because the plastic stick is like relatively short. I would think these hands can just, oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with this. You know, maybe it's about the journey, not the destination. I feel like this is not really worth it. I might like mess up the figure by doing this too much. So maybe we call it quits while we're ahead on this whole hand. Wait, never mind. This looks so close. Come on. I'm like really trying to get that hand in there. Oh boy. Come on. Oh my God. It looks like the hand and the shell have connected. Wow, look at that. We have Luigi with the shell. This would be a good thumbnail. I don't know if I can get it. Okay, that's pretty cool. No, you know what? Maybe that was worth it. I think you should do this once and then never again. And here's the block. But yes, Luigi, you're showing off with your shell. That's really cute. And it looks like he's carrying it around. Dun, 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 dun. And then he could like kick it, like in Mario World, up. Bah! And then he has to remove these sticks from his hand.